Shalom from Jerusalem. This is Luden Centeno once again, and I'm standing here at the Israeli Supreme Court where our case will be held in May 2012. And I need to expose the real facts of the matter. And the facts of the matter is that I did a giur, I did a brit milah, I did a bet din, and I did a mikveh. And the Israeli government, Eli Yishai, who works for the Netanyahu government, is accusing me of going to church and is accusing me of having articles and postings on the internet, which I have never denied and I will not deny, because we need to live by the truth. Yet you have in this country many so-called Russians who came from the former Soviet Union who claim to be Jews, yet they go to church, they go to messianic congregations, they eat pig, sell pig, and many other people who made Aliyah are basically doing the same thing. I spoke to Danny Oberman, the vice president of Nefesh B'Nefesh, and I told him about my concern about these so-called Russians who made Aliyah under the so-called law of return, and go to church, messianic congregations, eat pig, sell pig, and who knows what they do. Yet, because I went to church before I knew that we were Marrano Jews from Spain, we were denied the right of the law of return. And according to the law of return, it says that if you do a giur or a conversion and you denied any other kind of faith, you are entitled to come to Israel according to the law of return. Did I go to church? Yes, I did. Did I find out that we were Marrano Jews from Spain? Yes, I did. Our names are Centeno and Perez that are registered in Spain. But even so, that our names are registered there, I did a giur by the Dr. Richard J. Margolis, the Honorable Dr. Richard J. Margolis from Temple Beth Shalom in Florida. Yet Eli Yishai of the Israeli government, Lior Shachar, Mazal Cohen, and Eleanor Golan, they have decided that my rabbi's papers are not sufficient for them to consider me under the law of return and to be recognized as a Jew. Right here, we're standing before the Israeli Supreme Court, where our petition will be heard in May 2012. As you know, my wife is a Jew, my daughter is a Jew born here, and I, the father, Luden Centeno, I'm not able to provide food and shelter for my family. How can a conscious government do such things, that I, the father, who has a daughter, I'm not able to provide because they're not willing to give me a work visa? I am asking you for your support. You can help us via PayPal to Judah, judah92@gmail.com. We need your support. If you'd like to call us in Israel, you can dial 972-52-635-7088. The time for you to act, Prime Minister, is now. Rambam says, if a man desires to become a citizen of the nation of Israel, you have to bring him in. And if a man desires to become a citizen, you have to help him, because you were also strangers in the land of Egypt. Please help us. This is Uriel, LCP, Independent News, Yerushalayim.